The first time you create your profile on LinkedIn, you get signed a LinkedIn URL, like it becomes your own. In that URL, it has lots of numbers attached to it. Did you not know this by now? Okay, you're in luck. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to customize your LinkedIn URL, personalize it to make it your own, such that when you send your link to somebody, they won't be seeing just numbers in their inbox or their messages. They will be seeing your name attached to your LinkedIn link. And that makes more sense. That makes it more personal. And it reminds them of how they connected with you the very first time, how they met you and where they have known you from. That rings more bell and leaves a lasting memory on that person. And it makes them want to click on your link to actually connect with you properly via message or a thank you message for meeting you in that networking event you would met. Welcome here. My name is Overilai. I'm popularly known as Overi, and on this channel, I talk about my UK experiences, my immigration experiences. I talk about LinkedIn. I talk about career growth and practical tips to help you navigate your journey with more confidence. If this sounds like something you're interested in, do not forget to subscribe. Let's just go into the video. Like I said, I'll be showing you how to customize your LinkedIn URL on your LinkedIn profile if you are on LinkedIn. If you're not on LinkedIn, this is your sign to go and create a channel, a page rather, on LinkedIn. If you're 18 and above, you should have a page on LinkedIn. Okay, I'm going to take you over to my screen where I will show you how to customize and change your LinkedIn URL to add your name on your URL to remove the numbers. Firstly, I'll show you an example of someone who has a LinkedIn and has no name on the URL. It's not customized, and this is just for educational purposes. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen with you so we can just do this together. Now, this is my friend's LinkedIn page, somebody I've connected with on LinkedIn. And if you go to the top, she doesn't have a name connected to her LinkedIn. She has a name. Okay, I'm gonna look for somebody who doesn't have a name. Let's just do that quickly. Okay. I would just want to show you someone who doesn't have a name and has just numbers so you can understand where I'm coming from. So I'll take you from there to how you can customize your LinkedIn. I need somebody who is not active on LinkedIn. Wow. While we're searching for this person, let's see. Oof. Oof. Ooh, this is taking more time than I imagined. I actually know people who would not have LinkedIn. Okay, if I just go to my connections, would that make it easy? So now this is somebody's profile that has numbers attached to it. So this is just an example to show you that this numbers you can actually do get rid of it and you won't have it again on your LinkedIn. So I'll use my profile to show you how to do that. We'll go to the top right hand where I have the me button and click on view profile. So that's together. Then I'm going to accept this. This is just for educational purposes. This is not good intending to throw shades on anybody. And again, you don't have to change it if you don't feel like you want to change it. But I feel personally that it will be a good thing, a best practice, a good idea to actually change it and update it to have your name alone without the numbers attached to it. Now, if you look at my LinkedIn on the top right hand side where very close to my face pop up and then I just come here. Look at where you have public profile URL. Mine has been changed already. If you look also at the top of my screen, I've had it changed already. That's why it looks like this. All you want to do is click on the pencil here, go to the top right hand, follow my cursor, click on the pencil here. When you click on the pencil, it takes you to another page where you can actually make the necessary changes, where you can work on every other settings plus this setting. Now you click, if you go to the right again, keep looking on your right hand side and click on where you have edit your custom URL, click on the pencil button. So assuming I haven't had my name changed before now, it gives me a pop-up box where I can actually make these changes. So I've just removed my name just so I can add it on again for you to see. Click on your name. When you finish, click on whatever name that appeals to you. Now, this is your personal page and this is your professional person page on LinkedIn. And you want to make it your name so that when people come in touch with you, come in contact with you, and want to connect with you, they are seeing your name on your LinkedIn profile, which makes much more sense. Okay, so adding your name on that wee box, and note, LinkedIn says your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters or numbers. Please do not use spaces, symbols, or special characters here. It has to be your name. Or if you want to put your company name, if you feel like that's what you want to put, maybe you can do that. But I strongly suggest that it's proper if you put your name because it's your personal profile. When you're satisfied and happy with what you have done on the box, then you click on save. When you save it, oh, it cannot contain white space. Pardon me. So I've taken off the white space. Now I have saved. So your name will be one word. Put your name together, no space, no hyphen, no nothing. Just your names together, one word, and LinkedIn is happy. Happy. LinkedIn is happy. So happy with you if you're able to do that. Now I am done with this video and I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions about LinkedIn, do not forget to leave your comments down there and let's look at it together. And I hope you found this video useful. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Keep winning and stay happy.